Most MBA aspirants see one thing while choosing colleges: average package. 25 lakh per annum, 30 lakh per annum, 40 lakhs per annum, and immediately they think, मेरी life set hai. But what if I tell you, most students don't even understand how placement reports work. And today we are going to decode the placement reality of top colleges like JBIMS, SIBM, and FMS. Look at this. Average package around 26 to 27 lakhs per annum of JBIMS, highest package of around 55 lakhs per annum. And you can see that, median package is around 26 lakhs per annum. Looks insane, right? But here's the first reality. Average package does not mean everyone gets 26 lakhs per annum. MBA placements work like this: top performers pull averages up, different roles have different salaries, and PPOs heavily influence outcomes. And this is what most students never understand. Now look at SIBM. You'll again see huge high package numbers. But listen carefully, highest package is not the college reality. It is usually just one or two students, niche role, and sometimes international role. The real number you should look at is median salary, because median tells you what a typical strong student is actually getting. Now let's compare something interesting. FMS. FMS has insanely low fees, extremely high placements, top recruiters, and this creates something very important, which is ROI. Imagine 2-3 lakh fees, 30 plus lakh per annum average salary, and that changes everything financially. Now compare that with some private colleges: 25 to 30 lakhs fees, similar packages. Suddenly your MBA decision becomes very different. So, top colleges like FMS, JBMS, SIMSRI, TIS, these are the colleges that give you some crazy ROI. And if you're someone to whom ROI matters a lot, these are the top colleges that you should definitely focus at: FMS, JBIMS, SIMSRI, and TIS. Now the biggest truth. Students think top college मिल गया तो top placement पक्का है. Completely wrong, guys. What actually decides placements? Your profile before MBA, academics, work-ex, internship. This is mainly for your summer internship, because companies would come for summer internships and the only filter that they have is your CV. So there should be some good things on your CV. Your communication skills. A lot of students underestimate this, especially in consulting, sales, product, and leadership roles. Your performance inside MBA, your case competitions, your networking, your CV building, your summer internship, all these things matter a lot. College gives you opportunity, but it's your duty to convert it. Let me say something honestly. Students obsess over highest package, but very few ask, what role am I actually getting? Because 18 lakhs per annum consulting role can completely outperform 28 lakhs per annum toxic sales role long term. So don't choose colleges blindly because of highest packages, flashy placement posts. Understand ROI, role quality, alumni network, long term growth, because MBA placement is not one big salary, it's the start of your career. Thank you so much, guys.